Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable access to Windows Registry Editor using GPO in Windows Server 2022. Users are under User Accounts OU. Create new group policy under User Accounts OU. Click and expand policies, click and expand administrative templates. Click System. Open Prevent Access to Registry Editing Tools, change settings to enable, select Yes. Update group policy. Update group policy client side. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.